exchange if you want to do barter with other countries. And Mr. Hari has the idea that not doing bilaterally with Indonesia, but also multilateral with other countries. So if you can support Mr. Hari on this project, it will be good also for the Philippines, especially for the development of energy and economy. Thank you.
Thank you, Pa. Any comment, please?
Pa Martin, glad you can join us virtually. This is all very exciting for NPC. Hopefully, we can firm up the Philippine side, what we can offer to Indonesia, and also through Pak Harley, determine what we can barter or sell to Indonesia as part of this agreement. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Maybe I would like to add something. Actually, the idea of barter from Indonesia government is to find a solution with the deficit of the trading with other countries. Actually, Philippines and Indonesia, the deficits spread into the Philippines. So, if you do this barter with other countries, actually not only with Indonesia, with China, also other countries, the deficit with Philippines, it would be help the economy. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so shall we do the picture now?
Yeah, Pa, we will be having a group picture. Maybe, yeah, you can be.
Yeah, please, Mr. Rosas, thank you.
You can be part also of the picture.
Yeah.
How?